Ayo boss, and welcome back. We are getting close to Halloween and very excited. Chef has a great healthy dish today, a steak fajita bowl. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So Chef went ahead and picked up some fresh stew meat, and all he's going to do is just cut these in half or thirds depending on how small you want your pieces. Now we're going to be using the entire stovetop today. First, we're going to have our rice in the back, so brown or white, however you like, start that off. In a larger skillet, a little bit of oil, we're going to heat this up. Then put the steak right in and start to let this cook right up. Now there's a lot of different seasonings you can use. However, Chef's going to go with an Adobo seasoning you can pick up at the store, but feel free to use whatever steak seasoning you like. Continue to stir and cook this on medium-high heat. In a separate pan with a little bit of oil, go ahead and put some chopped onions and peppers. Correction, sliced onions and peppers. So those are going to cook on medium-high heat. And here's kind of what your kitchen's going to look like. You have all these burners and pans going, kind of watching all of them, right around medium heat. As you can see, the peppers and onions are cooking up nicely. Keep everything on medium just so you can kind of monitor it. The steak as well, you're just going to go ahead and jump over there, stir those around, make sure those are cooking up nicely. And now in a kind of large, shallow-ish bowl, go ahead and plate up and everything's ready. So Chef has his rice. He's going to plate that in one corner. And then next up, he's going to add his veggie, so his peppers and onions in another section. And now Chef's going to go ahead and portion his meat in. And then next, Chef just went ahead and warmed up some black beans, so he's going to put those in the final section, but of course mix and match with any other vegetables you would like. Feel free to be creative, and don't forget all of our ingredients we listed down below. So finally, some toppings. Chef's going to go ahead and have some guac. He's going to put that right in the middle. And then next up, Chef went ahead and warmed up some queso. So he's just going to kind of drizzle this over his steak, around the bowl a little bit, and the heat will melt it right in. And if you have anything like sour cream, you can do that as well. So here it is, kind of our end result, but Chef did put a little cheese on for the final end result, just a touch for color. So here it is, our steak burrito bowl. We really enjoyed this nice healthy dish. We hope you try it out, mix and match with different things, and it came out really great. So we are getting ready for Halloween. We're very excited, and our next video will be our big Halloween kind of finale, which we always love to do. We hope everyone's having a great fall. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and remember, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.